teammates, how are you doing today? This is your teammate once again, Cool Simon, and welcome back to my channel. What's up? So for today's video, it's new to me and I'm so excited kasi pangarap kong mag-unbox ng Balikbayan box dahil wala pang nagpapadala ng Balikbayan box. So, it's a mystery box muna. I ordered mystery boxes, take note, mystery boxes, plural siya, from Lazada and Shopee and they just arrived. So, i-unbox natin siya. But first, syempre sanitize muna para safe. Ayan. Kasi syempre galing sa labas. And pick up the box. There we go. Unahin natin Lazada kasi it arrived first. O yan di ba? Ulit. So excited ako kasi whatever inside, ipamimigay natin. Ayan, sinabi ko na sa unahan ng video. Baka mamaya kasi may magustuhan ako, bawiin ko bigla. Pero baka i-edit natin yun. Charot. Alright, so i-start na natin pag-unbox. Oh, by the way, it's cheap lang to kasi hindi natin afford yung malalaki like others na thousands. It's like 399 or 400-ish. Pero may disclaimer siya dito. It says, Lazada mystery box can include 3 gadgets, accessories, smartphone. Malay mo, may smartphone. Pero magaan siya. Electronic toys, collectibles, iPhone. Wow! X na doon for sure. Tools for girls and boys. Sex toys. Char! And win cool prizes, random products for men and women. Parang nakakalito yun. Anyways, start na natin. Excuse me po. I have my scissors with me. Ayan. So, kinakabahan ako kasi baka titignan natin kasi 399 lang siya if it's a scam or really worth it. So, wag tayong mag-expect pero dahil nag-expect ako na mahal to, let's see kung sulat siya. If it's really worth 399. It's hard. Oh my God. Warning, ang gumagawa nito yung mga eksperto lamang. Ayan. Kung bata ka, gusto mong mag-unboxing, ayan, wag na. Wala ka pang pera. Charot. Ayan, hindi ko pa siya nakikita, no? So, itatapon ko muna to. Dito na. Lilinisin ko naman later. So, for our first, so, guys, 399 to. So, let's do the sum. If this will cost that much. So, first, we have what's this? I think it's the ilaw na sinasaksak sa laptop.
Yes.
No? Pwede ba ito sa phone? No, hindi. Laptop lang, no? The ilaw. Okay. Then, sabi dito, USB port plug to LED lights. Yun, yung tawag. So, binabali siya para umilaw. So, ayan. Nakikita ba? Yan. Vlogger na vlogger tayo, no? Fave color ko pa. One of the blue. Red pala favorite ko. Isa lang. So, what else? So, by the way, kung 399 tong box, this one will cost how much? Siguro nasa 70-ish, mga gano'n, no? 70 pesos, less than 100. So, let's put 50 to 70. Oy! Ano to? Guys, not familiar with this, but it says here, check this out. Nakikita ba na focus? Ayan. Oh, hirap. Lapit. Hindi pa yata ako certified vlogger, Ayan. Anyways, ipipicturean ko na lang, tapos mag-a-appear dito. Much better that way. It said, ungrip solution. Ayan. Nakikita ba? Hindi na naman, pero ipopost natin here. Pero, by it looks, pang siya, sa cellphone. Sa likod, inilalagay, for security. Ayan. So, guys, yeah, that one. But it's not bakal Guys, if you wanted one of those, just comment down below. inyo na pag nauna kayo. Pero syempre, mag-subscribe kayo. Kapal naman ng mukha kung hindi, diba? Anyways, pero kung dalawa kayo, piliin natin. What else? Ayan. Ayan, pero nakikita. It's Lazada! Oh! Earphones. Oh, by the way, I think this one, sabihin na natin 50 pesos safe na, no? Safe na 450. So, let's 100-ish. 50-50. This one, earphones. Ayan. Nakikita naman. Tingnan natin kung okay. Pang Oppo daw siya. Kung sino may Oppo sa inyo na phone. Oh, may nagtaas ng kamay dito from one of the audiences. Ayan. So, yon, Oppo. So, magkano kaya ito sa market? 50, 70. Kaya, 50, 70 sa mga tiyanggi-tiyanggi. So, 50 na din. So, parang 50 pesos haul tayo. So, we have here na, ayan. Okay, ito yata medyo malaki. Check natin. Surprise! Oh my God! Ayan. I don't know what's this one called. Oh, but it's gamepad. Sa mga gamer-ish dyan.
Pang ML.
Tingnan na, sa mga nag-ML, may voice over ako doon.
Ayan.
I'm not a fan, pero comment down below if you really want this. Ipapadala natin, no? Ayan. May nagmamind sa likod ng cam. Hindi naman nakasubscribe. Kapal ng mukha. It's gamepad, guys. If you want this, just let me know. Ayan. Ayan. Gamepad. How much is this, guys? Okay, 200 daw. So, 150. So, medyo bawi na. 350 from those first four. Ayan. Oy, isa na lang yata. Isa na lang. Ay, oo nga, isa na lang. So, 350. And the last one is, this one. Yan. I think I'm gonna keep this. It's the folding stance. Nakikita ba? Aray, nasusubsob ako. Oh, hindi pa makita. So, pipicture na lang ulit. Tapos, appear siya dito. It's a folding stance. If you have phone and you wanted to have like, oh my God, ang ganda ng color. If you wanted to put there or somewhere because you're gonna do something, this is the best tool that you might need. Ayan. Hindi ko malagay yung phone ko kasi I'm using my phone for filming. But that's fine. Hindi na natin kailangan ng sample. Mag-picture na lang natin. Ayan. So, for Lazada, we have here this one, the ilaw, USB light, the phone and grip, the earpods, the gamepad, and the stand. So, presyo na natin to, like siguro 100-ish. So, kung 100 siya, so it's worth it naman because this is 400 or 399. So, sulit naman siya. So, hindi naman tayo, feeling ko hindi naman tayo na-scam. Pero, guys, if you wanted one of this, just let me know. Ipapamigay na lang natin, isi-ship natin. Okay? Just comment down below mine kung aling item doon. So, done with Lazada. So, for me, we're gonna rate it. It's 8 out of 10. Agree, no? 8 out of 10. Why? Kasi walang sayang, walang patapon. I mean, useful naman. For $3.99. And that's really something for $3.99. I may say that. Cool. Ayan. So, dito ako excited because for this Lazada mystery box, I chose this kasi mga gadgets daw, something, or tools, ayan. But for this one, ayan. For this one, it's the Shopee-ish. Shopee. So, nag-alcohol na ako. So, sanitize natin. Ayan. This one, napakamura niya. like $2.99. Pero the box is quite bigger. Sabi pa nung seller, please handle with care. Wag po dadaganan. Ayan. Ayan. Ay, tapos may disclaimer dito. By the way, mga Korean goodies to. Sabi dito, with random winner of 5,000 pesos in Kaching. More mula, more money. So I'm so excited na to open this. Wag ko sanang masira. Pero handle with care daw eh. Baka there's really something here. Baka mamaya may kimchi na nakalagay sa plastic dito. Korean daw. Oh my God! Oh! Yan! Yung excitement ko sa pagbubukas. Ayan na, ayan na, ayan na, ayan na. Oh! Oh my God! Woo-hoo! Okay. So, this one again, 299 siya. Let's see if this is really worth the money or the price. Yan ka muna. Yes. Comment down below kung gusto niyo lang din to, pero mahilig ako sa mga Korean goods. Baka kunin ko. Joke lang. Ayan. So, let's start with this one. Oh my God. Hindi, by the way, hindi ko to mape-presyo na. I'm not familiar. But, I don't know what's this. Ayan. Comment down below kung alam nyo to. Aha. Pero by it looks and the picture, similar to combos. I don't know if you're familiar with that. Ayan. What else? Ay! Gusto ko... Yeah, gusto ko to. But this one not the other that you might think. It's Pokey! What? See that? Pokey! What the fuck? I like Pokey. Picturean natin kung hindi nyo nakikita. Pipicturean ko na lang. Hindi ako certified vlogger. It's Pokey, guys. It's strawberry-ish. So, ko yung yung flavor. But, I'm not a fan of sweets kasi. What else? Oh! Strawberry na naman yung Bingray. Gusto ko din to, pero may housemate ako, gusto niya to kasi nakikita ko siya lagi na bumibili nito. For sure sa kanya to mapupunta. Bingray! Ayan. Strawberry again. Oh, sana makita. Nakikita ba, guys? Picturean ko na lang ulit. What else? Baka may 5,000 dito somewhere. But this one is... ay! Real cheese ramen. Ramen siya. I like this one. I might gonna keep this. But if you want, let me know. Comment down below. Ipapadala ko sa inyo. Pero syempre, sagutin nyo yung shipping, no? Ayan, taray. Ayan. Guys, 299 lang to. So, don't expect too much. Ah! Tteokbokki! Ay! Ayan, ayan. Nakikita ba? Masyado yatang maliwanag. Pipicturean ko na lang ulit. Grabe naman itong unboxing ko. Napaka-epic fail. Hindi makita. Ayan, nakikita ba? Ay, my God! But guys, pipicturean ko ulit. Ayan, tteokbokki. 299, I don't know if this one will really worth the price. Naku, wala na yatang masyadong laman. What's this? Maxim. Hindi ko alam if this one is coffee or milk tea. Korean kasi. Ayan Ayan. Pero medyo pricey naman kasi when it comes to Korean goods or products. So, $2.99. I think medyo okay na siya. Wala na yata. Wala na. Oo nga, baka expired. Hindi naman. So, for Shopee, we have tteokbokki, instant, cheesy ramen, salted cheese eme-ish, coffee or milk tea, excuse me, Poke, and the strawberry bingray. Ayan, $2.99. I don't know. Medyo hesitant ako eh. But for me, it's medyo mahilig ako sa Korean-ish. So, I give it an 8, I guess. Yeah. Pero hindi lang ako sure again sa presyo, paulit-ulit, no? So, yes. So, we're done unboxing Shopee and Lazada. So, parang wala naman. Feeling ko hindi naman siya scam. It's really worth the price din naman. So, what else? So, again, kung gusto nyo, let me know. Ipapadala natin sa inyo. But make sure that you already subscribe to my channel. Or if not, what are you waiting for? Subscribe na. That's just one basic rule. And that's it for today, teammates. So, see you again on my next vlog. Again, don't forget to like, hit subscribe, and the notification bell para updated ka sa mga video natin. Have a good day! Bye!